today I will discuss about how to use SpeedVac instrument. It is basically an advanced instrument or whatever we are using in GenVac. Basically, it evaporates the solvent efficiently. So this is SpeedVac. This is basically solvent trap, and this is basically oil-filled pump. This works kind of just like rotor evaporator, where a pump and a solvent trap is required. So whenever you are going to start a evaporate the solvent, you don't need to switch on this instrument. It will be switched on all the time. But few things I would like to inform. If you see this instrument is switch off, first you have to switch on this one. Then you can see here power is on, this yellow light. Then you have to wait 45 minutes or 90 minutes just to lower the temperature, and then you can see one green light is there. So it indicates the instrument is ready to use. And sometimes when solvent will be filled up a lot of, then you have to decant the solvent. So for that purpose, what you have to do here, this thing directly you cannot turn. What you have to do, you have to press this point, then it will come out. Then you can take out this trap. Whenever half of the solvent it will be filled up, then you have to decant the solvent, and you have to keep again here, and again here you have to press this knob, and you have to tight this thing. Not only that, inside of just vacuum trap, not vacuum trap, solvent trap, one heat transferent fluid is there, which is basically gyropool, and sometimes you have to reuse this gyropool, and here in the solvent trap there sometimes water mixed with this gyrosol. So what you can do, come here. So this point is basically locked. You have to turn in 90 degree. You have to turn in 90 degree, then gyrosol with water, it will coming with this pipe. Then that water you can separate, and that gyrosol you can reuse again in this solvent trap. Now I am coming to this SpeedVac instrument. So once your sample is ready to use, what you can see, this LED lock, it is no light, means it indicates you can open this concentrator. And here you can see this is basically for 4 ml vial, and there are a lot of racks here which you can use based on this requirement. This one is for just 20 ml vial. This one, as I mentioned, for 4 ml, and there are a lot of rack we have in store, basically that you can use whatever you need. Then here one knob is there. If you want to change, you can anti-clockwise turn this knob to open this one, and as I have mentioned that based on your requirement you can put your rack, and then again you close this knob with clockwise turning. Make sure the knob you tight, but don't over tight the knob. Then you can keep your sample vial here, and make sure the sample vial you are keeping balance in the rack, and then you close this concentrator. And then again here you can select your temperature, whatever you need. After setting the temperature, you can do whatever time you want to heat in the reaction medium. So 1.00 means it's 1 hour. and you can tune by this bottom. You can increase or you can decrease. After that you can select the runtime. Here also it's so 2 hour. You can tune this one by increasing or by decreasing. You can fix the runtime. And then vacuum pressure you can do basically. There are 5 options, 1 2 3 4 5 tall. So you can select any of the thing. Suppose I am fixing 3, and then you can do here auto run. So you got a sound beep, one time beep. So that indicates basically the instrument started. Also, once the instrument started, you can see this LED lock light is on. Means it is closed. You cannot open this concentrator. Not only this, few things I would like to inform here. That is basically this preheat option. If you want to preheat before use it, you can use this one, and this one basically radiation heat, which you can use for your purpose. Not only that, here I set 3 atmosphere, 3 torr per minute. So if you want, you can manipulate by this level button, and if you want manual run, that also possible with this instrument. So manual run means whenever you want, you can off this one, and auto runs means whatever time you fixed here, so that after that time instrument will switch off automatically. Once you auto run this one pump switch is here in the back side, which you have to switch off. So here you can see pump is already on. So in that way your instrument, it can basically ongoing for your evaporation of the solvent. And once evaporation is over, so automatically it will off. Here I am just doing stop button. So you can hear some beep sound 3 times, so which indicates the solvent is off, and then you have to switch off this pump also. After pressing stop switch, or once the instrument will off automatically, you have to wait sometimes, and after that you will get one sound that indicates that it is ready to open also. You got one sound. So here also you can see LED, that is no light is there. So you can open your concentrator, and you can take out your sample from the SpeedVac. Apart from this, one more thing I would like to inform. There are basically 8 programs you can set based on your requirement. Suppose for your reaction purpose, you need to know a particular temperature, heat time, run time, and vacuum pressure. So what you can do, you can set a program. So you don't need every time to set all the things. As you fixed your program, you can press the program, and then automatically you can run your sample. Here I am showing, suppose I want to set program 3. So you have to press this one, press 3, then I want to keep the temperature like 50 degree for my purpose, so I am increasing 50 degree, and heat time, suppose I want to keep 10 minutes. And run time, suppose I want to keep 2 hours, and then vacuum pressure, suppose I want to keep 2 torr, so I am decreasing here, and then I have to press this 3 for 3 seconds. So one beep sound you will get, that indicates that program 3 it is fixed, where temperature is 50, heat time is 10 minutes, run time is 2 hours, and vacuum pressure is 2
to torr per minute. Then I can press the auto run. So in that way you can handle SpeedVac for your purpose. Not only this 8 program, there are basically 4 program which already this instrument set for this purpose. So that option also you can select if you want, or if it is applicable for your solvent evaporation cases. So more or less that's basically the procedure how to use SpeedVac. Yeah, thanks.